Good afternoon, dear students. Staying near or far. Today, we are going to discuss compensation management, MBA final. I am discussing year long this paper. Because this is very serious but applied topic. We are just going through to develop concept for the conceptual development in connection to compensation management. Actually, this doesn't have any confirmed structure, but this may provide or develop conceptual development for the settlement of salary, wages, allowances, benefits of a certain organization. Administering compensation system is very much concerned and connected for the harmonious industrial relations. Determining, confirming salary, wages, allowances, or other welfare programs for the workers and employees or personnel, or also for the senior level management is top urgent. But as this doesn't have any confirmed criteria, confirmed system, so managerial skill, efficiency, knowledge, background, and professionalism is highly needed. And just year long I discussed this paper and topics mentioning multivariate issues covering the legal terms, financial aspects, social practices, etc., etc. To settle up these things, salary, wages, financial and other benefits for the organization, there should have a professionalism covering skill, efficiencies, knowledge bank, rich knowledge bank. Management can develop salary structure more or less in the right way. In this point, for administering or directing, some guidelines are there mentioned. That is number one, stability. Stability of the organization in all respects, in terms of administration, in terms of financial strength, in terms of gross salary package, in terms of total salary, total allowances, other financial benefits and programs. If sound enough, then that is very much positive. Administration has to think about the reserve status, financial strength status, regular earning, source of earning, potential sources, identification, and to run the business accordingly. so that management needs to confirm for the longer version salary and allowances. Then availability. It should be available. What salary has been confirming or the wages package has been developing by an organization for a certain worker or employee, that should be in such a manner so that they can mitigate their daily expenditures and challenges. They can ensure their family members' food, medicine, treatment, shelter, all facilities. Their children need to go to the schools and academic institutions. Such things that should be ensured. Then the next is flexibility. It should be flexible in nature. They should have the flexibility concept. Otherwise, in a changing atmosphere, that will be critical to some extent. If the workers are not easily able to maintain their livelihood, mitigating their daily expenditures, so that they will be frustrated. As a result, the performance of the organization will decline, productivity of the workers and employees will decline. So, in that point, the management should ensure right salary packages and right way payment structure to determine. Then equitable and consistent. Here again the same line point. Also it should be equitability. There should have equitability. No deviations of injustice should not be performed. Right way, and it should be consistent. If inconsistent, then there will be frustration. And there will have a confrontation among the workers and employees, or even the senior level management, manager to manager, GM to GM. This level must be ensured with the right way salary package. Then pay secrecy. Management needs to maintain the secrecy, different levels, payment structure and salary. Workers' payment to senior level management payment. That should be separated as per the category. If it's very much presentable, very much common, and everybody can see it, that would be problematic to some extent, because when workers would see a certain worker, fourth class employee is drawing 15,000 taka and his boss is drawing 3 lakhs taka, then there will be a dissatisfaction among the workers and employees of the organization. Salary payment, the maintaining the interest of the common people, maintaining the interest of the workers and employees, maintaining the interest of the senior level management, at the same time the organization itself. Salary wages packages must not develop in such a manner so that will be very much ultimately burden for the organization. And if it's a burden for the organization cannot sustain long. A bad impact will be created. Then, so here owner, labor, worker, employees and also the interest groups are very much connected. That should be kept in mind. Then efficiency principles. Here is a question, very burning question for the skilled and efficient workforce. Nowadays, most organizations are suffering because of the lack of highly skilled workforce. Lack of so many people, working class people are there, so many employees are there, so many manager level people are there. But when we are asking about the skill and efficiency of a certain person, certain worker employee, or even the senior level management, question is obviously some guys are there very skilled, they can very prompt, they can take or they perform very promptly their assigned duties and responsibilities. In that point, when someone is highly skilled person, their salary must be higher than the lower level people's workers and employees. Then obviously, if the workers and employees such type of highly skilled, then they will be higher paid. Otherwise, they will leave the organization, and the organization will suffer long. Then performance. Sometimes based upon the performance, salary and wages are settled in some organizations. Basically, this sort of tendency is for the USA economy. In that country, I mean, in USA management, their tendency is to give employment to the skilled, professionally very skilled persons. Sense of timing and solving problem, or right way operating machines and equipments. Those who are the persons, those engaged with manufacturing the quality goods and products. If it's service oriented, they should have the skill and efficiency regarding developing or providing that certain or asked services. So, if someone can very skillfully perform their duties and responsibilities, maintaining the right cost, right timing, right quality, then they should enjoy better salary package. Then, on the basis of budget is prepared in such a manner for the betterment and overall development or maintaining the financial right atmosphere of a certain organization. In that point, budget ensures and confirms the payment structure in such a manner so that the workers, employees, or management will be satisfied. As a result, they will work their level best, ensuring their level best performance. At the same time, their sincerity, devotion will be deployed also for that organization. And they will perform their duties and responsibilities, observing the pinpoint activities in the right manner. Then, so budget may mention the actual cost, actual payment structure, actual salary structure, etc. Then, method of pay setting. Personal skill, efficiency, expertise, knowledge, intellect, conditions, and a self-encouraging attitude. All these things should be taken under consideration when a certain organization develops a salary structure for his workers, employees, and for this managerial level. Then organizational structure, organizational framework is a factor. Layering, here the question of layering, here the question of the positions, top level management position, mid level management positions, and just numbering, layer, and payment structure. If the GM, DGM, AGM are the highly paid, then a huge amount of money will be incurred from the company, mitigating the payments of the senior level management. So the matter is quite tough for the organization. So organizational framework, as per the organizational framework, appointment of the general manager, deputy general manager, assistant general manager, senior level manager, like this way. they will be appointed and a huge amount of money has to pay them as their salary. Then organizational structure. If the organizational structure is relaxed in nature, at the same time is the right way, right position which has been started. So this is to be considered. Inflation is a very important thing, for the countries like Bangladesh. When consumable products, price of consumable products, house rents, and other living expenditures, at the same time expenditures for their educational purpose, for medical treatment purpose, for transport communication purpose, all these things are very much fluctuating and always with the increasing trend, rising trend. Then in that point, owners have to think, employment authorities have to think how they would solve the necessary demand accordingly. Keeping the concept of inflation. Also, sometimes banks and financial institutions can create inflation. Overall point of view, inflation, when there is an inflationary situation, then the government must ask the employers to increase the salary and wages of the workers and employees. Stability of tenure and employment role. Stability of tenure is a very important question. If turnover radius were high, then the workers and employees will not interested or inclined to do work there in that organization. So, right where this has to be settled up, and right where this has to be confirmed and ensured. How long a certain worker or employee will be able to continue his service there in the organization, and what should be the appointment system. In the appointment system, conditions are mentioned very much, and as per the conditions, employees will be inclined to do their works, duties and responsibilities with sincerity and devotion. In that appointment system must be fair. Right with that recruitment policy must be fair. Here nepotism or selection of the near and dear ones may disrupt the total system of the organization. And then incentive compensation. Incentive is a very important thing. When workers, employees, the personnel are working in a certain organization, if their performance is satisfactory, and they are producing in the right way, they are engaged in the manufacturing job in the right way, right manner, so that with their performance and activities, the organization will be benefited. So, they should have to, the organization should have to confirm the right way selection, better selection, quality personnels. Then the incentive, then implementing collective bargaining. Implementing the collective bargaining, yes, as per the demand raised from the workers and employees of the organization should have to think what is the demand. If demand is controllable stage, then positively they will have to maintain, they will have to accept the rising demand of the workers and employees. And if right way this has been tackled, the organization will be able to function its overall functioning best way. As for the above mentioned discussion, we discussed it, and I am going on with this discussion with the compensation management. The matter is, I told you earlier, The matter is very professional in nature. So it's not simply I'm going through the books. No. Other than this book, you will should have a concept regarding the information from outside. The same line organization like other company A, company G, B, company C, like this multi-brand companies and organizations are there. As how they are paying, how they are satisfying their workers and employees. You need to understand that. Avoiding the concept hiring from the other organization, this sort of problem cannot be settled and solved. Better to develop a concept, yes, tomorrow is the good day. So we should provide our support, we should extend our support and cooperations to you and the others, those who are doing the same line business. Just if the workers, the employees are satisfied, if the professional managers are satisfied, so they will be wholehearted and die-hard, and they will do their level best for the betterment and development of the organization. As a result, the overall manufacturing system will be quality based. Workers and employees. Okay, workers and employees will be satisfied, and the image of that organization will rise and exploring. So that is very much image bearing. So compensation package must be up to date and right mark level. Thank you very much. Best of luck.